Rebuild the man in the mirror, the self-image revolution. You don't change your life by changing your clothes, you change your life by changing your image on the inside. Because everything you touch, everything you attract, and everything you achieve is a reflection of who you believe you are. This is the self-image path, and most men never walk it. They live trapped inside outdated beliefs, broken mirrors, and old labels slapped on them by weak fathers, toxic exes, or their own fear. So they hustle for worth, perform for approval, compete for love. But nothing sticks because they still see themselves as less than they are. You don't fix a broken life by chasing success, you fix it by burning the old image of yourself and rebuilding the man in the mirror. Let's break this down. A weak self-image leads to self-sabotage. A powerful self-image leads to momentum, clarity, and purpose, and I'll prove it to you. There's a man who wakes up every morning and says, "I'm not built for this, I'm not good enough, I'm still that messed up kid from the past." And guess what? His brain will sabotage every win to stay in alignment with that belief. But there's another man who says, "I'm becoming unstoppable, I'm building discipline, I may not be perfect, but I'm forged by fire." That belief rewires his brain for war, for growth, for victory. Same life, different mirror. Your self-image is the thermostat of your life. Raise it and your standards rise, your habits level up, your circle changes, and your income, health, confidence, they all follow. Not because of hype, because of identity. So what's the move? Step 1, identify the old labels. Write down every name you were called, every insult you believed, every story you told yourself that kept you small. This is your burn sheet. Step 2, create the new image. Not fake, not ego, but the real man you're becoming. The disciplined version of you, the healthy, decisive, bold version of you. Write his traits out in detail. Speak them daily. This is your mirror tracker. Step 3, repetition. Every day, repeat the identity before action. Don't try to act confident. Be the man who is confident, then go act. Don't try to build habits. Be the man who has them, then execute. It's not motivation, it's transformation. And let me tell you, the reason you keep failing isn't because you're weak. It's because you're trying to act different without becoming different. You're trying to run with broken legs. Fix the legs. Here's your ritual. Every morning, look yourself in the mirror and declare who you are becoming. Not who you were, not who they said you are, but who you now choose to be. Men of the compass, hear me. This is how we rise. This is how we rebuild. This is how we take back the pen and write a new story. We do it with fire, we do it with focus, and we do it together. The OLP Nation of Men.